everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Desire. Fourth study vlog. Today I wake up around 5:45 in the morning and I did some exercise, stretching and all. Then I prepared myself a green tea, and when I came near a window around 6:30 with my green tea, I saw this beautiful movement, and it's a very natural phenomena. It's 6:30 in the morning and moon was about to set and sun was about to rise. So this was very appealing and I found it very beautiful. So I thought I must share this. This mesmerizing scenario reminded me of one of the beautiful quote which I read somewhere. Everyone wants to be the sun to brighten up someone's life, but why not be the moon to shine on someone's darkest hour? This particular study vlog is of 1st March, but it got delayed because I was busy doing studies and I didn't get enough time to edit it, so that's why it got delayed. It's around 7 a.m. in the morning and I'm starting my first study session. And today I have started with geography and I'm reading one of the chapters, air masses, and about the fronts, cyclones. So I'm studying the lecture from Byju's which I have enrolled for. So I'm watching the video and I'm writing notes. And to save my time, what I have done, I have taken the printouts, the smaller printouts of world maps. So whatever concepts are there, so mostly I mark things out here. One thing I would like to share with you all, and many of the people ask me in the comment about the quality of the Byju's lecture. So I am studying from Byju's. The content wise, the quality of lectures is very good, but the only problematic thing is when we write notes, it takes too long. So it's a very lengthy and time consuming learning process. If the video lecture is about 30 to 40 minutes, so it takes me around 1 hour 30 minutes to complete that particular video lecture. So in this manner the learning process gets really lengthy, but I write my own notes from the video lectures because it really helps me when I do revision. If any one of you follow any different method or have a different opinion, you guys can share it in the comment section so that other aspirants can also get benefit of it. For example, do you prefer making your own notes or you refer to someone else's notes, for example any classes or anything else? It is around 9 a.m. and I am almost about to end this first study session, and after having 30 minutes of break around 9:30 a.m. I am starting my second study session. So here I am reading the same topics which I have covered today from the tab, and I am highlighting few of the things, and mostly I am underlining only the important aspects or the name of the definition. So when I am doing revision, so I can quickly and immediately able to identify what are the topics are there. Now I have made this as a habit that when I learn a new topic from the tablet, when I watch a new video lecture, I always try to read the same thing from the institute book or the reference book, or to solve some previous year papers. So this gives a holistic idea about the entire topic. It's around 11:40 a.m. and I have started my third study session. So after completing my second study session, I have just taken 20 minutes of break and have started with this study session. It's a short one, and here I am revising the earlier topics which I covered. So I'm just revising things so that I can practice some of the previous year's prelims questions. Learning new things is important, but it is also necessary that we keep on revising the things which we have learnt in the past months or the weeks. That only give us more effective result. Last week I came to know that one of my YouTube shorts crossed 1 lakh plus views. So thank you guys for supporting and loving the YouTube shorts which I have created. Apart from YouTube shorts, I have also created videos regarding note making, NCRTs, my map strategy, my study vlog. So you guys can check all these videos. So for these videos I have shared a playlist and the link is given in the description box. Around 1 p.m. after finishing my lunch, I have started my 4th study session, and here I am studying geography only. In geography there are a lot of maps, there are a lot of diagrams, so sometimes it happens when we draw while making notes, so it turns out to be very time consuming. So for my geography, what I have done, I already took out the printout of the maps, the important diagrams, so it saves a lot of time of mine which I can utilize doing some important things. And in my notes I tried to draw such diagrams which are very representative. So you guys can see in this particular note I have made some small diagrams, so only representative diagrams which we can use during our mains. So such diagrams we should try to make in our notes, and some of the diagrams which we need to understand few concepts, those things we can take printout and paste it in our notes. This is the strategy which I follow for making notes for my geography subject, and this really helps and benefits me. And but you can also follow some different strategy if you like. I have practiced maps, and I have also done a lot of practice to draw freehand maps, and now I'm able to draw them very quickly, and you guys can also do it if you practice it. It is around 3:30 in the evening and I have started my 5th study session, and here I am reading polity and I am doing revision again as I am preparing to attempt some of the previous year questions which are section wise. And I do this practice from one of the past 26 year books which is of Mrinal sir. So I'll be sharing that link in the description below about the book. Initially when I was reading polity, at that point of time I also made such flow charts, so these really help me when I do revision. I am almost about to end this study slot. It's around 5, and in the break I am opening this package, and it's a gift from my family. And for a very long time I was looking for such an antique watch to keep on my study table, and I'm very happy that I got this. It's around 6:30 in the evening and I'm watching current affairs video which Byju's provide free on the YouTube. So I found this very helpful and I really like it, the explanation. But I don't write notes anymore. Earlier I used to write notes out of this videos, and after completing this video I also read the CNA which is provided over here. But apart from this I also follow Vision IAS monthly compilation. So these are my sources which I follow for my current affairs. After completing dinner around 8:30, I have started my 7th study slot. It is the last study slot of the day, and here I am revising my sociology notes which I have prepared earlier, and I have completed the entire sociology syllabus, and currently I am in the revision phase. I try to revise my sociology notes on alternate days, and by the end of the week or every 14 to 15 days I also try to solve some of the previous year questions from the portion which I have revised. This particular strategy of mine always helps me to keep connected to my optional subject, and it's very important that we keep our optionals strong in this exam, which can give us some extra edge over other students. Today I studied for around 11 hours, so overall it was a productive day and I was very happy. If you guys like this video, give a thumbs up and also mention your valuable views in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you everyone.